Hello, room 504. I am here on Schoology to show you how to type up your I want a pet letter. And I am using Mr. Stanley Fason's Schoology account. So thank you, Mr. Stanley. Okay, so first things first, you should get to Schoology. And when you're here, you're going to go up to Courses and open up room 504, second grade, section 1. Once you've gotten to our folders, I need you to click on the red writing folder. Next, you are going to choose the opinion folder. Okay, so here in the opinion folder, you have the assignment, I want a pet. There are some instructions that you notice. It says type your final copy of your letter about which pet you want someone to give you. Be sure to include the date, greeting, body, closing, and the signature. So what you need to do is click on the assignment. And you can see on the assignment, it shows you exactly the rubric that I will be grading you. And what I want you to do is when you're ready to type your assignment, you go to submissions over here and you click on the two words submit assignment. So you click on this and this window pops up. You don't need to upload anything. You are creating something. So click the word create. And now you have this beautiful blank space to be able to start typing your letter. So when you're typing your letter, you're going to need to be able to put the date, the greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature in all the right spaces. So what you're going to do is when you get to the very first line, the first thing you have to do is enter the date. You go up to these three buttons. It says align left, align center, and align right. For the date, you need to click align right. And it moves the cursor right over here. You can see it blinking right there. So you're going to type today's date, January 16th. Don't forget that comma. Excuse me, not 16th, the 15th. Don't forget the comma, 2015. And then you click enter. And you can see that the cursor is still blinking on the right side, but we need to move it to the other side. So you need to go back up and you click the word align left. And that's where you're going to see the cursor move. And now you're going to do your greeting. So, dear mom, comma, enter. And I want you to actually click enter 2 times. So there's a nice little space. And then you begin typing the body of your letter. I would like to have an emu for a pet. I think that emus are an interesting animal to have, and I would learn a lot about them. Here are some reasons that I think I deserve to have an emu for a pet. Now, I'm not going to keep typing the entire body of my letter. What I was demonstrating is that you continue to type even with lots of sentences, and it will naturally move to the next line. You're not hitting enter after each and every sentence. That would look silly. When you're done writing your letter, you're going to click enter 2 more times. Enter, enter. That means you're all done typing the whole body. And you're going to have to put your closing and your signature. So you're going to click align right again. And you're going to type your closing. So love. And then you can leave the cursor where it's at. And then you put your name. Stanley. Okay. So once you're all done typing your letter, you are going to save the draft. You are not clicking this submit button. You click saved draft. And what you will see over here is that you have one draft. You are submitting your assignment tomorrow. Now, if you don't get done typing today, that's fine. You still have time tomorrow to complete this assignment. So you're going to be doing fine as far as time goes. So if you realize that you need to make a change, you can click the edit draft button. It will open it back up and you can make whatever change you need to. Now, if you happen to get done early today, you can have a little bit of fun and you can highlight some of your words. You can change the color of the font and make it look like this. You can also really just work with changing the color of the font and maybe making it bold. Green is kind of a lousy color, though. It's hard to read. So, again, just save the draft. Don't click submit. And that's all you need to do for today. Have a good day. I will be back tomorrow. And I hope you all are being polite to your substitute teacher. See you tomorrow. Bye.